Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you that what is the purpose of making blog videos on YouTube channel in English language. Today I'm going to tell you everything. What is the target? What is the dream? Today I'm going to tell you. So guys, keep watching whole the video. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ramesh Life in another new vlog, another new fresh video. Guys, how are you all? I hope you guys all are fine. Today I'm also fine. Today I'm going to tell you everything. What is the purpose of making blog videos in English language, guys. So at first I would like to tell you guys that when I started my English journey, before 4 to 5 months before when I started to speak English language, that time I could not speak English language. Even one sentences, two sentences, I was feeling very much shy, and also a lot of problem I had to face. But today I can speak English language for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 13 minutes, 30 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, whole day I can speak English language today. So how I learned English language and what is the purpose of this learn to this language, today I am going to tell you guys. You know, after learning that language, I thought that what I can today actually I can speak English language. After learning this language, I thought that what I can do in English language, what I can do. I have learned today I can speak English language. You know, what I can do extra. You know, everyone know English language, but if I will know to speak, if I will not share my actually, there is a line, guys. Wisdom has no value unless you share to others. So we should have to share to the others. After that, that actually will be useful. So I thought that what I can do that will be very good for me. So I thought that I will make video on YouTube channel English language. So after actually staying this actually way, after learning whole English language, I thought that what I can do. So after that, on my mind there was a small click, that if I will, when I was very child, that since that time, I mean class 4, 5, that time, since that time I thought that I will go different country. I will go to the different country, and after that I will be able to know their culture, how they live, how they talk to each other, with each other, how they eat, what is the actual culture of the different country. That is I want to explore. This is my target, guys. Today I have told you. I'm telling you guys that this is my target, to go different country, and after that their culture I will capture on my mobile phone. So this is my target, and at first I would like to go to the Bangladesh, how they live there, what is the culture, how many people live there, how actually polite they are, how gentlemen they are, how the people are. I wanna capture how they live, Pakistan, what Pakistan's people think about Indian people. All the things I wanna capture on my YouTube channel, on my mobile phone. So this is my target, and I will go as soon as possible, because my graduation I have completed. So as soon as possible I will out from my room, from my home actually, to the different country. At first I will go to the Bangladesh, because this is a very neighbor country, India, and after that I will go Nepal, Bhutan, China, Pakistan, Afghanistan. After that I will go to the middle country like Kazakhstan, and all there is Registan, lot of countries there. So I will go there, and also Canada, because Canada is very important place for me, because there is one of my teacher, he stay there. So obviously I will go there, and I have learned English language, I can stay there, I can speak to them actually. So this is my only target, that to go to the different country and to capture their culture, how they live, and how they stay there. This is my target, to capture on my mobile phone. This is my target, to learn English language. This is not, I have told you guys that it was my dream. It was my childhood dream, you can say, to go to the different country. But I never thought that after complete graduation I will go to the I will out from my room. So as soon as possible I will out from my room to visit different country. This is my target, and today I have told you through this video. So this is the thing, guys. And today I thought that since morning I was thinking that I should tell you that what is the target. Without target we can't do anything. Okay, so I thought that I should tell you. And guys, nowadays I am trying to learn British English, and after completing British English I will out, because I can't speak in Bengali, like Bengali style English there. They will not be able to understand what I'm speaking. So I have to speak there. This is my dream actually, that to speak British English. So after learning British English I will go there. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. Now I'm at the top floor. I have come here to take little bit sunshine. This is the morning time, and just there guys, I have just taken my breakfast, and this is the thing, guys. I'll be back in another new vlog, guys. Tada guys, bye bye, till then, tada.